Hey guys! This week's video is going to be about my clothes storage and my shoe storage. I want to go through all of the clothes that I have, the reasons behind keeping the clothes that I have, clothes that I use, and yes, my little obsession still with hoarding some of my stuff. As I see certain clothes that I have, I start to think that I'm still a little bit of a hoarder. First 4 months that I lived here, maybe now 5, I didn't use a lot of the clothes that I have, so I didn't know what I was going to use, and I didn't know how my attitude was going to be towards the clothes that I didn't use. Hopefully this video is going to be a fun one, and you'll see why. But let's get started, and I will show you my clothes and shoe storage. These are my hanging clothes, and I'm going to start with my hanging clothes because they're like, boom, right in the middle of the room. The hanging clothes are for things that don't want to get wrinkled, dress clothes, clothes that need to be ironed, pants like, not jeans or anything or leggings, but pants like comfortable pants. I wear a lot of girly shirts with jeans and whatnot, and you know, stuff like this. So those are the things that get hung up. When I get rid of my washer dryer combo, I'm actually going to take this whole thing down and put it downstairs in that space on a hanging rod, and then I'll have that whole thing open. A lot of these clothes are duplicates. If I like a certain shirt, I will buy multiple shirts of the same kind. So say I like a certain shirt or a certain pair of pants, I will get 1, 2, 3, 4, sometimes 5 or 6 of the same exact kind. More of my hoarderism comes from, okay, I've never worn this, maybe once. But because my mom got it for me and it was $50 and it was from one of my favorite magazines called the Pyramid Collection, I never wanted to sell it, and I still don't, so I will find an occasion where I can wear that. Also, a jumpsuit that I have in here that I have never worn. It's like $75 and it looks really cute. Hey, I'm gonna put it on right now. I've never worn this, maybe just tried it on once or twice. I'm gonna need to find somewhere where I can wear this to because I don't want to give it up, I don't want to give it away. Like I said, $75. Pretty cute. It's a jumpsuit, so it's one piece. I've never worn it and I would love to, just don't know where. And it doesn't take up much room, so I'm gonna keep it! Hey, this one's cute too, I love it. I think I'm gonna try to wear this to maybe a Pagan Pride one time. I found a pink bralette to actually match it, and I had not found one before, so I didn't know what to wear underneath this because I didn't want to wear a bra. Never worn it, but I'm keeping it because it's something that I love. It doesn't take up too much room, so it's going back in the hanging closet. These are the only 2 pieces of clothes that I've kept that I have never worn them. Like, that was pointless to bring if I've never worn it in a year. But because I like it so much, I chose these 2 items for me to take to this house because I know I'll wear them sometime. I just need an occasion to wear them. That was fun. I guess I still am a little bit of a hoarder even when it comes to my clothes. I have about 5 or 6 of the same type of shirt because I like that type of shirt. Okay, now let me take you to my drawers. So these drawers I had specifically made for everything that's put in them. And that rod was made specifically for all the clothes that were in them. Starting with my top drawer. These are seriously all tank tops. I have 4 stacks of tank tops, and I wear them all the time. The second drawer is designated for shorts. That's another thing that I wear a lot of is shorts, especially those shorts right there. This drawer is designated for jeans and capris and jean shorts. Got rid of a good 20 pairs. I do have an iron if any of this stuff gets wrinkled, so that's a plus. Come over here to my undies drawer. I just threw out a bunch of underwear. I've got some workout stuff in here. I also have 2 bathing suits and a bunch of different underwear, and that's it. Oh, a couple things back there too. So, oh, and my workout stuff. So I have like 3 or 4 pairs of workout shorts, all designated for that. Bras, bralettes, that's the bralette I just put on. All the bras that I usually use, all the bras that are backup bras, all my socks, dress socks. I have 21 pairs of leggings. These are kind of like bell-bottom leggings, if that makes sense. And I think I'm gonna, if I don't wear those anymore, I'm gonna turn those into shirts. They were leggings and I turned it into a shirt. Maybe I'll show you this one too. This shirt used to be leggings. Because they no longer fit down here, I cut it into a shirt. So now I can wear it as a shirt. And instead of getting rid of the clothes that you don't use anymore, maybe you can use them in a different way. The stuff to Goodwill, donate the stuff somewhere else, give it to family or friends, sell it on Facebook or in a garage sale, reutilize it some other way, like wash rags, or make art out of it, or some kind of, you know, lining for a shelf, or anything you want. I'm gonna show you how that shirt became, or how those leggings became a shirt. Fold them in half, or fold them like this. All you have to do, there's the pair of leggings. All you have to do is basically cut out the crotch. Yeah, see that little thing right there? That is the only cut that you make on these leggings, and that creates a shirt. There's the cut, and there's your leggings. And now when we open them, then you turn it upside down and the crotch becomes the neck and the legs become the arms. Yeah, that's how you guys can do it if you want. Moving on to the winter storage. A lot of this stuff was in different, I don't remember where all this stuff was. Because these are extra, so I don't know where I put that stuff before I had those. There's some extra jeans. I do have extra jeans. There's like 3 or 4 pairs in there. Winter stuff, like winter, and there's some of the summer stuff that I had in my drawers, so I took that out. Sweatshirts. And then I kept my scrubs. I used to work as a naturopathic doctor assistant and a chiropractic assistant, and that was my uniform. My purses, pajama pants, more sweatshirts, more hoodies, more sweatshirts. Bottom one is basically books and stuff, computer stuff, business stuff, and then my work stuff. This is my laundry. I don't have a place to put my laundry, so it just sits in the corner. Shoe storage. This is another thing I planned in my tiny house. I specifically wanted every single step to have an opening. Builder didn't do that, so I kind of had to just deal with the amount of stairs that they gave me, which was 5 opening stairs. I used the first 2 for shoe storage. The third one opens up to the cat litter area. 4th one I was opening, and that had shoe storage in it. The 5th one did not open, and the 6th one I wanted to use for tools. There is shoe storage. I am a flip-flop freak. This shoe storage is actually the length of that, so it is double in size. So I've got gym shoes, and maybe even a pair of boots down there. These are the boots I wear every day. Those are my work shoes. Now for hoodies and coats, that's about it. For the winter, because I live in Illinois, I have 2 big coats. One is more for the winter and outside, and one is more for it's for the winter and outside, but it's dressier. I didn't have a closet when I came into my tiny house for the coats, so what I planned to do was get a wall hanging thing with like 3 to 5 different hooks on it so that I could put guests' coats or my coats. Love it because it doesn't take up much room. You could still get up the stairs. There is my coat storage. Each of the hooks have a hook on the bottom, so there's a hook here and a hook here. You could still walk up the stairs. You could still use the handrail. This handrail is hidden, but then that handrail is not. Rocky. Last but not least, I was trying to get rid of all those just-in-case items, but I did keep a few, and that's okay as long as you have room for it. Before I did this video, I did go through all my drawers and take out anything that I wasn't wearing, or that was old, or that didn't fit me anymore, or that I didn't like. I'm going to take you through all those items. There you have it. We've got a pair of flip-flops, some old underwear, there's shorts, 2 pairs are bras that are like strapless bras, but I don't really wear anything strapless. Things that don't fit me. These 4 pairs of, they're like capris or something, and I've never even worn any of them.
Was you just hanging out?
That was my clothes storage and my shoe storage and what I do with it and why. If you were only to see how many clothes I had before. Yeah, all of those clothes. I had 2 full closets. I had 9 drawers with the dressers, or 9 dresser drawers filled with stuff. 2 full closets, a whole long wall closet, and then a walk-in closet. And now I don't have much at all. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe below, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Where's you going?
Yay! That was a little too much, huh?
What's going on?
Oh, sorry.